Assalamu alaikum, dear students.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
There is 10 students has got joined. I'm waiting some more student to get join here. Our class strength is approximately 25. Shahid sir, please use your headphones. The voice is coming till here. So that's good. Around 30 students has got joined. Some people who are speaking, they can mute your um, um, mute yourself and speak in the home. If you have something, you can speak with me by unmuting. Okay. So I have seen some students. So we were discussing about the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, PPT. So again, I will introduce you what is PPT. PPT is a power representation form of your project or your speech or your presentation you want to give in office, or you want to give it so some society, you want to introduce yourself, introduce your work, you want to say about your achievements and all those things. So in that you have to add your name as well and topic as well. So I will I will just share the some work of some students who have done here. Some students have done, like Arshia has done, and I don't know why she converted the document into the PDF. For sending the PPT, it doesn't require to send in the form of PDF. Why she is converting, I don't know. And Aisha as well has done in the PDF form. No need to convert in the PDF form the file. Every other student can see. Even Tamima Fatima has converted the file into PDF form, and Hajra as well has converted her file into PDF. PPT in the sense you have to give the presentation. And some more things I want to tell the drawbacks what they have done. So let us see some PPTs. Okay. First we will see of Hajra. Okay. Let me share that. This is the PPT in the PDF form. Why she converted this in the in PDF, I don't know. Okay, home gardening. So she has to write her name first. The topic is she has to say home gardening. Okay, even she can include her qualification, like if she has BCom, if she has some intermediate qualification in some stream like MPC, BPC, she has to do that. So this is good by image representation. PPT is something that you give point, okay? So some points should be somewhat larger as well. So she can add 2 or 3 points in one slide. That will be sufficient, okay? And I have seen some, that's thank you, okay? This is done, okay? Please try to send the PPT in the form of presentation, okay? Don't send in the PDF form, okay? I will show some effects also, how presentation gets in effects, okay? That also I will show you. Let us see next one. Let me delete this. This is also done by same student, I think, Hajra. So basic of Microsoft, you should write your name and topic name first. Okay, first slide is sufficient. It's dedicated for that purpose. You might have seen my presentations in the first class, how I have done. How's my name, computer diploma in computer application, DCA, and my name Raus sir, and my qualification ECE, B in ECE. That is I have wrote. So first slide you have to dedicate for that purpose. So basics of Microsoft, she has shown some points. Okay, why you make the PPT is that, okay, one image, okay, two image are sufficient. Okay, there is a bunch of images, but you have to explain what you are saying. Why you make PPT? In the sense you are giving speech, not you are boring the people to read your slides. You should not bore a person to make a slide in a huge data. That person will concentrate on reading, but he has to concentrate what you are speaking. What you want to convince with the PPT is that just you use the points. Sometimes you, for the sake of reference, you take the points on PPT and say something about it, and you can add pictures for the sake of people for more have clarification and idea.
So this is the second, third assignment which is on Microsoft Word.
Hajra is speaking, I think, but I can't hear her voice. Its voice is breaking. Can you speak again?
Actually, the second, third assignment which is on Microsoft Word. It's not a PPT. Then we
But
have to add page numbers and all that.
it's not PPT.
No, sir. Second and third assignment. You asked to add shapes and watermarks and all that, no, sir?
Okay. But first was your assignment, right? PPT. Okay. Okay. You have to write the assignment too. Okay. You have wrote. Okay. Thank you for clarification. That's okay. You have done up to the mark. I'm sorry. Okay. So another student, Tamima Fatima, she also has converted her PPT into PDF form. You people can see. You people can see her deforestation, and she has done some good thing, but she has converted into PDF form and send it to me. That's not the way she has to do. Okay, I will go for just I will show this first. If student might have not seen. So this was I am saying. Deforestation, she did a PPT. That's good, but she has converted into PDF form. She has to give in PPT form. Okay, let me delete this. Demonetization. Let's check Aisha assignment. Let me share again. So this is demonetization. She has also converted into PPT to PDF. No need to do. First, she had to say the topic name, and she has to say her name in this. See, someone can see this. How many can see this? Raise your hand. How many can see this screen? Everyone is seeing, I think. Okay, raise down your hand. See, demonetization, she wants to explain. I'm not uh, going her personal matter, what she has done in this PPT. I'm sorry if I'm doing something. I'm sorry, let me take the call. Let me take the call and I'm sorry, there was a call. I have done interruption to you. So what, I'm not going personal that, but I'm concentrating on PPT. One should not do like this, okay? One should give some points on demonetization and explain by yourself. All the factors you should not mention on the PPT, okay? You have to revise, you have to rehearse in your home, when you are going for interview, when you are going for office, for your presentation and all those things. You have to know all the factors, but you just know the points and you say. So this is what she has done, some points as well, but this is not the way you have to do, okay? I hope it is clear, but there is a good efforts some students are doing. They have to improve some additions, okay? Let us see one more. Let me share Delhi. Let me share the screen. This is done by one student. They have to write their name. Delhi, about Delhi capital, from a time where it is present, like from what time it is present, Taj Mahal, all these points the student has done. Okay, good. Just make some point. Don't make person to read. Okay, that's good. I appreciate. And he also converted into the form of PDF instead of making it in the PPT. So let's see, some students have done in PPT form. I will share their PPT. First, I will share MD Zafar's assignment 4. I will share the screen. See, you can see this is the PPT, actual PPT, how it is. How many can see? Raise your hand, please. PPT. Okay, raise down your hands. Thank you. So I know again this student has wrote much more things about it. He has to just write Taj Mahal as a topic, and his qualification, name and qualification, and you have to say what you want to explain in the presentation, what points you want to give. So I will just write F4 with my keyboard. It will become on full screen. I will F4, sorry, F5. Okay, so just I will click. Oh, it is automatic. Student has might have done automatic, or I don't know why. Okay, so just he has to give name instead of content on the first slide, and he has to give the points. Okay, Taj Mahal. He has to give point, but he has to explain by himself about the uh, Charminar and all those things by his tongue, not by the person to make him read the slides. Okay, he is MD Zafar. Thanks. Okay, this was the presentation. I appreciate what he has done, but he has to improve. He has mentioned his name in the last, but he has to mention his name topic in the first slide. So let me share you some other persons. Samina Khatun. So disadvantages of mobile. It's good, but you have to write your name. Okay, that's good. The points she gave, I appreciate. With the picture, eyesight problem and all those problems. While driving, there is a problems. Okay. Okay, do one thing, student, dear student, add your name in the slide, first slide, and give some your qualification, introduction, and all those things. Thank you doing for this. I appreciate your efforts. Second presentation as well, I think. No, same. Why I am showing this to you people? Because you people are seeing, you people also can see in the group, but you people will not notice the points what you have to do as improvement. Okay, you can see the pollution. Okay, this is done by Nikhat Safina. That's good. In the first slide, you can add the picture or you cannot add the picture, it doesn't matter, but you about yourself, that will matter a lot. Okay, you have added the picture, that's good. What is pollution? See how she made the points, this is good. Okay, see water pollution, air pollution, and all those things. She had shown the one uh, one art, all those things, how the nature is crying and all those things. Save earth. Air pollution causes water pollution, noise pollution, and all those things. This is good. Okay, let's see the last one. I think I didn't see the name of the person who has done. Let me share. So education system. So this is not that proper present form of presentation, because she added the person, I don't know, he or she, the person added the pictures on the text format. What the person has to do is that he has to add the education name as a title on the first slide, and the name and qualification. So, and he or she has to do the only uh, as a points, no pictures. For the pictures layout, I have shown there is in the insert, where is the layout. You can make separate text and separate. See, here is the layout. You can make two tables. This is how you can make the picture here and content here, the side by side. See how I have just edited. So this is how he has to do, not the previous way how it was like this. So I just control Z so that it has become in the old form. I will do control Y to redo. I will save control S. So this is little addition I did again. He or she can use the two format layout to present her. This is somewhat good, but see, all the content is a lot of the content. He has to make just point and explain. He or she has to explain by his tongue. He or she has to present. Okay, that they have to learn. Okay, that's good. That's it for the today's class in presentations. We will see some little bit more additions here. Okay, I will share the screen. Mashallah, the student strength is 30. I am happy to see that. Okay, I will share my screen. Let us see, take new slide, new. This is how you take. So you have here, first what you have to do, this is presentation I'm going to make. I will write diploma in computer application. I wrote this, okay. I will write in bracket DCA. DCA. By whom? I will write by Gauss sir. I will write my name. Some student has used the caps lock, capital letter. They should not use the capital letter, okay. It looks he or she is shouting. When you shout in the chat, you just use the caps lock, capital letters, all capital letters. That means you are shouting, okay, on other person. So in presentation, this is very bad if you use the all capital letters. What you want to explain is the form of you are shouting. That means sometimes it's funny for a reader or for listener, for audience. So you
कनेक्ट
know
हो गया
some
रेडी
features.
यहाँ पे मैं हो रहा हूँ कनेक्ट हो गया
Hope you can see my screen. Can anyone confirm? Can anyone confirm you can see the screen? Okay. Okay. So we have seen just how to do some additions. We can make it bold like this here, and some features we can add. We can give shadow. We can give spacing, loose or tight. We can give coloring like this, okay. If you want to remove the color, you have the clear all formatting, just it will go away. I did Control Z, it has come back. So wow sir, my qualification, I will write my qualification ECE, that means electronics and communication, BECE, BE. So this is how I do. So I can give some color for color on this, okay, and I can make in a side as well if I want, in the beginning as well, or in the middle. So this is how first slide you have to make. In the second slide, you can add, you can say DCA course again, DCA course. You can say here course, I'm sorry, it's all caps, course by Al Khair Society. So I did this, okay. Okay, I did some features. again I will use content, like I will say basics of software and hardware. Why I'm not writing much more content? Because I have to explain orally. Okay, if you are if you are understanding, it's okay. So I will write like this. You can say MS Office it has PowerPoint presentation and all those things. So I will add one more slide. Addition, what we have. Basics of all things I'm not writing, just I will explain orally. Basics of internet. So this is some slides I have made. Okay, I will add one more. I will say here, I will take just blank. Sorry, in the home I will go layout. I will say the last slide blank. Why I can't think I will take this. Thank you. Thank you. I can add some smiley also if I want. So this is how we do. But one thing I want to show you here today, some different effects. Okay, we have here slide. Okay, this is DCA course by Al Khair, but we want to do some animations and text animations. So we have here, and we want to do the design as well. So first we will see the design. Okay, we have seen, we know all this in the home, what we have as paste, cut, copy, format, painter. So we will see, we have seen the layout, reset, and these things as well. So these are the common features we can add here. I will show one thing more. We can add some something like shapes as well. So text direction also we can change. Okay, so we have these things. So if you want to write the text, and if you want to change the direction of the text, we can change. We have text direction like this, just horizontal. We can do this. So these features we have seen. Okay, we can write some text editing also in this. You can do some editing also here. Okay, so this is how you can take all those things here, convert to smart art and all those things we have. So let us see, it's very basic, and we see insert. Okay, we have in the insert, we can add picture, we can do clip art, photo album, and all those things. Let us see some photo album things also. We have to go into the file and take some photo. Okay, and insert and create. I'm sorry, it has gone into different format. Where is that? Okay, we can do this. Okay, you can add the photo and clip art and all those things we have seen. Okay, I will explain chart in the Excel. We know word art and all those things. Okay, we can add the date and time as well, and we can add the movie clip also in that. But the more you give simpler presentation, more it will be better. Why I am saying in the sense, you want to give presentation, or you want to give your you want to show the skills of what you can do. The person sometime will concentrate on the PPT instead of your speech. So more you give simpler things on the PPT, it's better to convey the message. I hope you understand this. More you give the simpler text and the things, the person will not concentrate more on the PPT, but he will concentrate on your speech and content, what you want to explain or what you want to convince. So we have design as well. So let us go for design. This is the designs we have. I hope people can see this. Some students have done also. So this is how you can do the designs. Okay. So let us take some this one, and all the slides will get changed. You can see this. Okay. We have some other also in the background style. So we can take some more editing. Okay. We have and color as well. We can change as per what we want. Okay. For the slides. So next thing we will see the animation. I think we have more 5 minutes. I will try to say about animation, and I will tell some more things in tomorrow's class. So what is the animation? You want to give animation to this course, like it is said, Al Khair Society. Okay. You want to give animation like this. When you are giving presentation, if you add the effects, it will come in this way. The slide will come in this way. Let us see. I will try here F5. See, the second slide I did some addition, like I gave some animation, so it will come in this way. So this is how you can add the animations. Okay. You have the sound effects as well, adding applause sound, arrow sound, bomb sound, transition, how much time it will take. Okay. You can add the timing as well. You have the custom animation as well. In custom animation, you can select and give some effects, like how you want to do entrance in the flying form also you can give. Boom marriage, take like this, it will come. So fast or medium, I will take the medium. So I will show you the presentation. F5, enter. So the features you are seeing, how it is coming. See, course by Al Khair. Again I will show. You can see the features. So this is how you can give some thing. Okay. I have one or two expectation with some students. I will show some more features in tomorrow's class, but we have 4 minutes something. Who want to give presentation tomorrow? Raise your hand, and you have to do some practice. I will help you to share the screen also. You can share the screen as well. I will ask sir to help you to screen sharing as well. Who want to give presentation tomorrow? You can unmute and tell me. Who want to give tomorrow presentation? At least 1 or 2 students.
Yes, MD Zafar.
Muhammad Fauzan Ahmad. Who is he?
Muhammad Zafar.
Fauzan name is given here. Fauzan Ahmad. Is it you?
No, but we were raising our hands.
Okay. Okay, MD Zafar, you want to give, okay? Your timing will be like 5 to 6 minutes, okay?
Okay, sir.
You have to complete in 5 to 6. Alia Banu, you want to give? Unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, of course, sir. If I'm given a chance, I'll try my level best to give.
Okay, but you should have the presentation in not PPT form. You should have the presentation not in the PDF form. Sorry, you should have the presentation. Anyone who wants to give, he should be in PPT form. I will ask my Shahid sir to share the screen.
Okay, sir, I have submitted my today's assignment in a PPT form, but I guess you haven't checked.
Yeah, I am just intimating the student, other persons as well. Okay.
Okay.
So any other person? 2 is sure. Okay. Any one, another one, third person. You have to make some points, and you have to. Syed Hisham, unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will note the name. Zafar, Alia Banu, and Syed Hisham wants to give. You might have the 5 to 6 minutes. You have to make only points. I will help you to share the screen on your computer. You have to explain point. You have to emphasize what you want to say. Make the first slide as your introduction, and you have to explain. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Time is
It should be of our own, or are you giving a topic for us?
No. You have to do by yourself topic. And other students who have not done their PPT and not submitted the assignment, you have to do the assignment. I will check today's assignment. If possible, I will do some assignment. Okay. I will give in the group. I will check what to give. And this is the assignment you have to do. The PPT is to show your skills here. Okay. So you have to show the skills. Thank you very much for listening. I hope the time will get finished now. How many minutes are there? One minute is left. Less than 1 minute. So thank you very much. I will post in the group if something you have to do as assignment. And you have to do today's, as I have shown some features, effects, animations, and design. So you have to do some features.